In the world of aviation, Boeing was once the undisputed king, a symbol of American innovation, pride, and mastery of the skies. But what if I told you that this aviation giant, whose wings stretched across decades of triumph, is now fighting to stay airborne? This is the story of Boeing's meteoric rise and its turbulent fall. Boeing began in 1916, founded by timber magnate William Boeing in Seattle. What started as a small venture in a converted boat factory soon turned into a colossus, forever changing aviation. With military contracts during World War II and the post-war boom in commercial air travel, Boeing surged ahead. The Boeing 707, introduced in the late 1950s, was the jet that ushered in the jet age, making intercontinental air travel more accessible than ever. But Boeing's crowning glory came in the late 1960s with the creation of the 747 jumbo jet, a massive plane that could carry hundreds of passengers across oceans, sealing Boeing's dominance in the skies for decades to come. But behind the scenes, Boeing's dominance was facing challenges. In 1997, Boeing merged with McDonnell Douglas, a move that many saw as the beginning of Boeing's troubles. McDonnell Douglas, a defense-focused company, brought with it a culture focused on short-term profits rather than long-term innovation. This shift led Boeing away from its engineering-driven culture to one that was increasingly financially driven. The focus was no longer just on building the best planes, but on cutting costs and increasing shareholder value. The 737 MAX launched in 2011. It was supposed to be Boeing's answer to Airbus's rising dominance in the single-aisle jet market. It was designed to be a fuel-efficient upgrade of the 737, Boeing's most popular commercial aircraft. But to save time and money, Boeing opted for a software fix, the now infamous MCAS system, rather than a complete redesign of the aircraft. This decision proved fatal. In 2018 and 2019, two tragic crashes involving the 737 MAX claimed the lives of 346 people. Investigations revealed a chilling truth: Boeing had cut corners, prioritizing speed to market and profitability over safety. The MCAS system, which was designed to prevent stalling, malfunctioned, forcing the nose of the plane down without pilot input. What followed was a cascade of blame. Boeing's leadership, its relationship with regulators, and its shifting company culture all came under fire. The once untouchable giant had been grounded, literally and figuratively. One of the most controversial revelations was the toxic shift in Boeing's corporate culture. Engineers reported that safety concerns were often brushed aside in favor of hitting production targets. Internal emails revealed disturbing attitudes, with one employee even saying, "This airplane is designed by clowns, who are in turn supervised by monkeys." Boeing's leadership repeatedly assured the public that the 737 MAX was safe, but behind closed doors, the pressure to compete with Airbus was immense. Cost-cutting measures and aggressive timelines left little room for error, and in aviation, errors cost lives. Since the grounding of the 737 MAX, Boeing has worked tirelessly to regain the trust of regulators, airlines, and passengers. The aircraft was recertified in 2020 after extensive testing and updates. Boeing has since made structural changes to its safety protocols and promised a renewed focus on engineering excellence. But the question remains, will Boeing's return to its roots be enough to repair the damage? Or will the shadow of the 737 MAX tragedy forever haunt its legacy? From the highest heights to the deepest lows, Boeing's story is a powerful lesson in the danger of cutting corners and the importance of putting safety and innovation above all else.